Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market, talk about how I think that CRO coin will potentially go to $1. I also want to talk about the meme coins, how they're cooling off, and just kind of talk about where I think we're headed here in the short term. So guys, without further ado, we are at 8,760 subscribers, and when we reach 10,000 subscribers, you're giving away $8,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are below my key price level of $28,200 on Bitcoin, which is a little bit worrisome. I do think that it is a type of sell in May, walk away scenario right now. I think we're going to probably be headed towards the $25,000 price level. We'll take a closer look at that on the Bitcoin chart momentarily. But all in all, Bitcoin dominance, however, is coming up to the upside at 47%, which is very nice. Would like to see that increase in time leading into the Bitcoin halving. Would like to see that reach about 50%, because that's kind of where I think is a key level for us to really start to move up. I think when we get closer to that Bitcoin halving between the price range of 19,500 and low 40,000, I think that we should have absorbed a decent amount of liquidity based on past events in previous cycles. That's usually how it ends up happening. But let's take a look at CRO coin, because guys, you know, we are below the 0.0689 price level. We are still relatively close to it, I will say, but it does seem that we are bouncing off the bottom of here at about 6.5 cents. Hopefully we can see a little bit of a move back to the upside here. However, I do think that if Bitcoin comes down to 25,000, there is a high likelihood that we come about halfway through this channel to about the 6 cents range. I don't think we'll necessarily reach 5.5 cents unless we have a capitulation event, a significant capitulation event, but I don't necessarily think that that is going to happen just yet. But we're gonna have to keep our close eye on that and really feel this move out, I should say, with Bitcoin. We'll take a closer look at that shortly. But I do really think that leading into the Bitcoin halving, that $1 CRO is really inevitable. You know, sometimes you got to zoom out and realize that you know, this is just the game we play. This is the cyclical events of the crypto market, and usually when a coin, especially a coin that was as successful as crypto.com in the previous bull market, can sustain the bear market, usually we have a significant recovery. And as long as they stay on this trajectory of these new marketing deals that they're constantly coming out with, and honestly building their business, I really do believe $1 CRO coin is priced in. I mean, guys, right now we are trading at a significantly low level. This has been my accumulation zone for a while now, for almost 6 months it seems. I wouldn't be surprised if we stay in this zone for even longer. Wouldn't be surprised if we have another 6 months in here. Maybe even more. Maybe even more. It really depends on where Bitcoin goes. And to be quite frank with you, even if Bitcoin goes to $30,000, I don't necessarily think that we're going to have a big move to the upside unless the stars align and we have an altcoin season lining up perfectly with the movement of the liquidity out of Bitcoin. If we get Bitcoin dominance to come down after a big move to the upside, if we have a lot of liquidity getting pushed into the crypto space, then that's a different scenario. But as of right now, guys, I'm expecting sideways price action for a while. I think 6 months. I think that doesn't mean that we can't break to fair value about between the 12 and 18 cent range. I think that that's possible, especially if Bitcoin's over 30,000. But as of right now, we are in accumulation zone, and I'm prepared to be accumulating in this accumulation zone for 6+ months. You know, that's a minimal accumulation zone when it comes to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I believe, will probably be in this zone between 19,500 and low 40,000s for another 11 months to a year. And honestly, I think that's a blessing. I really do think it's a blessing. From somebody that's been in the crypto space since 2015, 2016, I know that these moves, these long sideways accumulation zones in the bear markets, they're for buying. They're for exactly what I'm calling them, accumulation zone. Because the people that stick around in these accumulation zones throughout the bear markets, they're the ones that get rewarded, guys. They're the ones that get rewarded. The people that buy, people get rich in bull markets but people get wealthy in bear markets. Remember that. It's a very, very key thing. Really pat yourself on the back if you're still around throughout this entire bear market. Man, it's been a doozy, and we're still in it. We're definitely still in it. I think we got more time, guys, more time. It's all right, though, because if you're here right now, you're going to be rewarded. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 because right now on the weekly, we're still green. However, on the daily, we are just consolidating sideways. It can't make its mind up what it wants to do. I mean, honestly, on the 4 hourly chart, even so, we might waterfall down a little bit, but on the daily, we're looking relatively. I mean, it's not confirmed if we're going up or down at this point right now, but I do think that if Bitcoin comes down significantly, I wouldn't be surprised if the S&P 500 comes down a little bit with it as well. It's pretty uncanny how pinned they are together, whether it's S&P 500 leading Bitcoin or Bitcoin leading the S&P 500 at this point. It's very, very interesting. But I do also want to touch on the meme coins because the meme coins are still coming down. Pepe is still coming down, and I do think the liquidity should be pulling out of this, going into Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, it does seem like the liquidity overall is just kind of being pulled out of the crypto market as a whole. So we're gonna have to keep a close eye on that, guys. If you have any Pepe and you made some gains, congratulations. I'm rooting for you if you're making money in the meme coins. But I will say, be careful right now. I would not be surprised if we have more downside on these meme coins, considering Bitcoin looks awfully bearish. I really do think that the price levels here on Bitcoin, I mean, guys, I'll be honest. I'll be honest here. If we continue these daily candle closes to the red below 28,200, well, the price target, in my opinion, is the 25,000, right about here. I really think that we'll end up in between about the 25,300. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. But as of right now, there's still time for invalidation. We've had this invalidation happen before, previously about a month ago. 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, excuse me. But as of right now, I mean, it could happen where we come back up. But if we keep getting these daily candle closes below 28,200, then I really do believe the price target is about 25,000. So be prepared for that, guys. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It really helps us out a lot. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and loyalty badges that you get to use in the comment section of our videos or during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord. We have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, and you get access to 10 additional entries each month. You are a member at winning this loaded line NFT that we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers, guys. Lots more giveaways to come. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.